everybody. This is Phil Levy with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, with a market clarity update for the month of March 2021. Well, the trend continues with increased housing prices, decreased inventories or very scarce inventories of actively listed homes, lower interest rates causing surging buyer demand, along with the demographic trend of millennials entering the market for the home buying market for the first time, some even the second time. The oldest millennials are about 40 years old now. And changing lifestyle preferences as people use homes now for work, for study, for teaching, for recreation, for staycation, and so forth. So I'm going to share my screen and give you kind of the skinny on what's going on nationwide and then what's happening with the Santa Clarita Valley. So this first slide depicts the year-over-year change in housing inventory, and to show how drastic the fall-off has been, Realtor.com published statistics showing that California is down 41.3% in terms of active listings available for sale since March of 2020. That's when we got the stay-at-home order from the pandemic. So it's a precipitous drop-off. Other states were even worse. Oklahoma, Colorado, the dark reds. Tennessee fell off 63.4%, Georgia 60.5%. So the pandemic had a dramatic and profound impact on the amount of homes available for sale. Home prices have increased dramatically as a consequence, although they were on a pretty good roll before that. This part of this chart, published by Black Knight, shows that we've had 6.3% annual appreciation in the last 4 years, culminating with 9.2% this year nationwide. This is, by the way, this contrasts with 10.3% annual appreciation in the years before the recession. And there was arguably a surplus of houses available for sale at that period of time. The lenders were just giving away loans to anybody who could fog a mirror. One of the benefits of the increased prices, of course, is equity. People's equity in their homes have increased substantially. You can see right now that we're at $7 trillion in equity across the country. Equity being involved, and this is tappable equity, meaning 80% of the combined loan to value ratio of any homeowner that has a mortgage on their home across the country. So people are developing a great deal of equity in their home. Benefiting the buyers, the interest rates have fallen again. We were up to about 3.2% a week ago, and this last week they fell down to below 3%. 15-year fixed rate is at 2.29%. So anybody thinking about refinancing, it might be a good time to do that. Let's switch gears to the Santa Clarita Valley real quickly. Active listings in the month of March are down to 309. And these are 3-month moving averages or aggregated data. And keep in mind that the Santa Clarita Valley has about 100,000 households. So we're down 37% this year. Last year it was down 36% from the prior year. Charts are broken out between attached, detached, namely single family homes, and then all combined. March new listings are, excuse me, misplaced number here. March new listings are at 1189. Again, these are 3-month averages. So they're up about 11% over last year, where we were at 1,068 overall. This might be the precursor to an increase in listings. We need to wait and see whether that trend is going to continue or manifest itself into overall active listings. These are just new listings. March pending sales were up 25%, as opposed to a decrease of 4.4% as we entered the pandemic. Closed sales are up 995 versus 749 for the prior year's 3 months average. So home sales have increased, pending sales are up. So we can see that the median sales price has increased 15% for the same period this year versus last year, which is up 4.9%. If you compound those, it's around 20%. March median days on market, they're still flying off the shelves, folks. We've gone from 15 days, a little over 2 weeks, to 7 days. It's unbelievable how fast homes are flying off the market. And the March month supply of inventory is still less than 1 month. So as we enter the spring buying season and get further into it, hopefully we'll see this number come up a little bit, because it is a drastic shortage.